Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 19, 2023. Very hard Sudoku. 7th grade. We have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 7th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column G, we have 5. 8th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 4 numbers are remaining, 8, 4, 7, 9. 3rd grade, we have 8, 4, 7. So 8, 4, 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 1, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, column H, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 6. 5th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come here, any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 5th row, we have 9. Column E also, column F also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. But column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Second row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 8. 4th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. In 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, column E, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fourth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Fifth grid, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then fifth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 2. Fourth grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't confirm here. Then 2 also here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.